Alright everyone, if you wanna clean this thing, I already cleaned this one, but if you wanna learn how to clean this nicely, you lower it, grab the side, grab the clip, this little wire here, start with a little wire here and a big wire over here. And I'm going to show you the next sequence what the wires look like. Okay, so I can show it right now. Let me get my phone. Alright, so this wire here, grab it by the plastic handle, and this big wire right there, pull it down, grab it by the plastic, not the wire, okay, that one, and this one, and it should drop down. You see this clip here? That's the one this clips right here, this two of them, goes in there, right there, and right there, so when you, where is it? Right there, so when you put it back, make sure it's between those two. Alright.